First, you'll want to remove the panel that's covering the rear HVAC, and you'll need to first remove the trunk panel and the passenger step panel before you can get to this one. The second step is to remove the screws holding this plastic assembly together, and then also remove the bolts that's holding it to the vehicle. This is what the inside of the unit looks. At the bottom you have the air conditioning evaporator, which provides the coolness, and then above that you have a door, a mixer door, and then above that is the heater element, and then above that again is another mixer door. What you see here is the AC expansion valve, and then it leads to the AC evaporator. Above that is a blend door on the right side there, and then this is the heating core, and then another blend door. So before fixing anything or taking anything apart, let's see what needs to be here. Step 3 is to pull the entire HVAC unit out slightly so that you have a little bit of room to work back here, because this is the blend door motor unit, which we need to take apart or replace. Step 4 is to use a stubby screwdriver or a small ratchet that can actually fit behind here. I guess a ratchet makes it easier. This is the second screw that needs to be removed, and there's actually a third one, but I don't show it on camera. So step 5, we can finally pull out the blend door motor, and it's still plugged in, so you gotta unplug it. But this is the thing that was making all that racket. You can order a new part if you want, that's the easiest thing, or you could take it apart and fix it if you think it's in good condition. So it actually looks to be in pretty good condition. Let's test it out. Let's test if this motor is working. We'll use a 9-volt battery, and we'll just hook it up to some leads and then touch it to the motor to see if it spins. And indeed it does work. So this is the main thing that needs cleaning, all this grease. And you need to clean off the grease off the contacts and off of that wheel thing I just showed you, the back of that thing. Also, we should inspect all the gears for damage, And sorry I didn't get any shots of the clean back of that wheel there with all the contacts. Okay, so now that everything's clean and put back together, let's test out the motor again with that 9-volt battery. It's going really well, and look at that, it goes both directions, it goes all the way around, so this should work perfectly once we reinstall it. Now the upper blender door motor was reinstalled, so let's test it out. And voila! Both blend doors move as I adjust the rear heat and AC. So we're good to go. Put everything back the way you found it and enjoy your day.